You save your CapCut video to your phone's gallery? Here's the correct way to export your video from CapCut quickly and easily. First, open CapCut and tap on Project. Now, click on the plus Create button. Now, select the video you want to edit and tap Add. Next, go ahead and edit your clip. You can trim, cut, add music, text, filters, or transitions to make your video look exactly how you want it. Once your editing is complete, look at the top right corner and tap on the Export button. CapCut will now start processing your video, so just wait until it reaches 100%. After that, you'll see a message saying Saved to Device, which means your video has been successfully exported and is now available in your phone's gallery. You'll also get options to share your video directly to platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. And that's it. This is the easiest way to save CapCut videos to your gallery on both Android and iPhone.